Welcome to the AI Circuit Loop, the place where you can stay on top of the latest news in the world of AI in games, VFX, animation, and tech. I'm your host, Carlos Sansonetti, ready to guide you through the fascinating intersections of creativity and technology. This episode is proudly brought to you by my own company, cgcircuit.com. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, cgcircuit.com is your go-to platform to create a store and publish video tutorials and digital assets for the animation, visual effects, and gaming community. Before we dive into today's episode, I wanted to share something with you all. So, you know how I've been talking a lot about generative AI lately? Well, I've been really fascinated with finding better ways to collaborate between humans and these AI tools. And that got me thinking, why not experiment a bit with the show itself? Well, the voice you are hearing now is all AI generated, and I would like to do that for a few upcoming episodes. Don't worry though, all the opinions and insights you'll hear are still 100% mine. It's just that, well, recording and editing takes up a huge chunk of my time, and I've got some really exciting projects in the pipeline that I'd love to focus on more. You know, I've already automated a lot of the show's production, but my ultimate goal, I'd love to get to a point where I just need to share my thoughts on the news I'm covering, and then let the automation handle everything else. Actually, would you all be interested in seeing how I do this? I'd be happy to walk you through my process so far. With all of that said, let's get to the show. The article, AI Tools in Education, a Threat to Integrity, or a New Learning Ally, by Dee Dee Wilson, published on the Queen Zone, explores the impact of AI tools like ChatGPT in education. With AI's increasing presence, educators are grappling with how to assess student work amidst fears of diminished academic integrity and creativity. The piece highlights research from Education Week, noting that 30% of students have used AI for assignments, signaling a shift that could force schools to rethink traditional teaching methods. As schools develop policies to manage AI use, many advocate for transparent guidelines, like those at the University of Texas, which balance AI's exploration without dependence. Additionally, detection tools, such as Turnitin, now include AI detection features to help maintain academic standards. Interestingly, some educators see AI as beneficial if used responsibly, suggesting it could complement traditional learning by aiding research and idea generation. From my perspective, AI in schools is a wake-up call for an outdated system. Just as books changed learning, AI compels schools to innovate, promising a more engaging and possibly transformative educational experience if harnessed correctly. Today, I want to dive into a fascinating article written by Julian Horsey for Geeky Gadgets, titled Unlock Coding Superpowers with Perplexity's AI Tools. Code Anything. The discussion focuses on Perplexity, a name you might not immediately think of when it comes to coding assistants amid well-known rivals like ChatGPT and Claude. But Perplexity's unique strength lies in its real-time web browsing and advanced AI models like GPT-4, offering precise debugging and coding solutions. You feel like you're holding a tool that combines the whole internet and social media for the most current data. The article highlights how this AI-driven search engine can streamline complex tasks, from creating Chrome extensions to decoding intricate errors. While I find the real-time data retrieval impressive, it's true that Perplexity might lack some specific functionalities found in ChatGPT or Claude. Still, the adaptability and customization it provides can significantly boost productivity. As AI tools evolve, integrating these into your workflow could mean staying ahead in a rapidly changing industry. It's fascinating how Perplexity empowers even those with limited expertise to tackle complex projects. Let's dive into Jeff Parsons' article from Tom's Guide titled iOS 18.2 Rollout Live. iPhones, iPads, and Macs just got a massive Apple Intelligence upgrade. This release brings a wealth of new Apple Intelligence features to iPhones, iPads, and Macs, with highlights like the Visual Intelligence tool. This is a game changer for folks outside the US, allowing them to enjoy AI features without switching to US English. It's exciting that Apple, obviously considered a giant in the tech world, is focusing on AI development from the application point of view. While some critics aren't enthusiastic about Apple's AI endeavors, I believe it's a step in the right direction. The update opens new possibilities, especially for Siri, which desperately needs a makeover in functionality and sophistication. As someone who's been with iOS from the early days, I'm particularly psyched about these advancements and eager to see how they'll integrate AI to enhance user experience across devices. Although the list of compatible devices is limited, this still marks a significant leap in how we'll use Apple technology in the everyday landscape. Recently, Gillian Godsill wrote for Irish Tech News about AWS's steadfast commitment to artificial intelligence as showcased at the AWS RE.invent conference in Las Vegas. AWS's Senior VP, Matt Garman, emphasized the transformative potential of AI technologies like generative AI and automated reasoning. AWS's innovation, especially in automated reasoning for provable security, is impressive. However, I wonder if this level of precision is practical for smaller enterprises with varying data conditions. Their introduction of Bedrock agents and Nova Foundation models presents exciting possibilities, slashing costs compared to major competitors like OpenAI. However, AWS's complexity could be a hurdle for many businesses. As someone who appreciates AWS's role in the cloud transition, I think their challenge lies in simplifying AI for everyday users. DevOps has streamlined traditional IT tasks, yet users of AI expect an even more intuitive experience. AWS's current offerings might be too complex for the average user, making it a crucial time for them to develop higher-level, user-friendly solutions. Thanks for tuning in to today's AI Circuit Loop News Roundup. If you found this episode helpful and want to stay updated on the latest in AI, make sure to subscribe to the show and leave a positive review. Also, let me know in the comments what AI story caught your attention today and why. See you next time.